Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a reliable reference and the right app. Use a front-facing, well-lit photo so the emoji captures key features. Once done, open your chosen platform and create a new project with a 1:1 canvas. This preserves facial proportions. Make sure to name and save a copy before edits. Then trace basic head shape and main landmarks, eyes, nose, mouth, so you can stylize consistently. This first pass sets the foundation for accurate resemblance and fast iteration. You now refine features with purpose. Simplify without losing identity. Start by blocking major shapes, hairline, jaw, brow, and reduce detail to bold, readable elements. Then adjust proportions subtly so the emoji reads at small sizes, increase eye contrast, and simplify teeth or lip lines. Once satisfied, pick a limited palette with one accent color for glasses, hats, or highlights. Make sure to test at typical emoji sizes to confirm the likeness still registers. Iterate until recognition is immediate. Finish by exporting optimized files and testing them in real contexts. You should export several sizes, 128px, 64px, 32px, and include SVG if the app supports it for scalability. Then send the emoji and messages, preview it on light and dark backgrounds, and view on iOS, Android, and desktop. If recognition drops, make focus tweaks. Boost contrast, simplify clutter, or slightly exaggerate one distinctive trait. If things go wrong, revert to your saved copy and try a single targeted change at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.